Hi, today I'd like to present you a Lambert f85-92. This Lambert, we've just tested it. It's heating properly. You can see the booster is at 192. It's currently not heating right now. It has detergent and rinse pump. Both are functional. It has a drain pump, functional. We've replaced the pickup tubing. And I'll put you a wash. What's nice about this machine is it has 3 individual cycles. You can push, that's a 2-minute cycle, that's a 3-minute cycle, and 1, 2, 3, that's a 4-minute cycle. So we're going to do a wash right now on a 2-minute cycle. Just push, you'll hear it. No extreme noises. So we're in a rinse cycle. You can see the detergent is going in, the rinse is turning, going in, so those things are working properly. You're going to see the booster has just come right back on. We're pulling 19 amps. And I'm going to do one last little test here for the video. Here's the drain working. If the steam is coming out, you can see the steam. Ouais, on voit le vapeur. That's it. Thanks for watching.